Hello everyone and welcome to Nail Art channel. Today I am teaching you metallic nail design to try. Disco chrome to gilded tips. Hater, you prefer a neutral palette or you can't imagine wearing anything but bright bold color. It's time to consider metallic nail polish for your next mani. Available in literal rainbow of shades with dozens of irritations of each hue. Metallic nail polish offer a simple way to elevate nail art and single color manicures alike. Say you are someone who forever falls back on a classic French manicure. With metallic nail polish you can maintain the minimalist nail art while making it shine on a whole new level. The point is clear, with metallic nail polish, you can upgrade your current go to nail looks or embrace brand new nail art ideas. To help you just that, you have rounded up over 2 dozens metallic nail examples. Number one design is gold foil nails. For semi textured metallic nails, consider copying celebrity nail artist Bettina Goldstein's gold foil mani. Top off with Dignity Roses, it's a romantic look that will likely require the skill of a professional nail tech. In other words, make sure to save this photo to bring to your next nail appointment. Images always help to create the designs. Number two design is simple silver swiggle. Metallic design don't have to cover your entire nail, nor do they need to be with other polished colors to make an impact. Case in point, these simple silver sigil nails, despite their hard turning appeal, they are straightforward to recreate. Use a striping brush to trace silver swirls across a clear or node mani. Number three design is burgundy swirl. Love a negative space nail look. This one employs rich burgundy swirl complete with a metallic finish to recreate the nail art yourself. Use a thin nail striping brush like one of the ones in this popular set to carefully paint covered line across each of your nails. Then fill them in to it. Style number 4, two-tone metallic blue. This blue metallic nail look conjures image for summer and sparkling pools of sunny days. We are totally here for it. Thank you very much for watching my today's metallic nail art design. If you have any query about this design, please let me comment below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.